Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about China BLUCHEM interim report. China Blue Chemical Limited offers a diverse range of businesses and services across various sectors. These include chemical fertilizers, urea, phosphorus fertilizers, monoammonium phosphate and diammonium phosphate, compound fertilizers, chemical products, methanol, acrylonitrile, polyoxymethylene, methyl methacrylate bulk blending fertilizers, port operations, transportation services, overseas shipping services, trading of, plus fertilizers plus chemicals plus coal and coal products, mining, coal, phosphorus processing, natural gas, phosphorus manufacturing and sales of, plus phosphorus ore and chemical products plus woven plastic bags. The recent surge in China Blue Chemical's stock price can be attributed to several factors contributing to a broader upward trend in the market. Key drivers include optimism in the methanol industry, driven by overseas expansion and domestic de-involution trends, which positively influences the company as a leading producer. Additionally, the significant rise in urea futures due to seasonal demand expectations has likely bolstered the stock performance of China Blue Chemical, given its major role in chemical fertilizer production. Furthermore, broader market conditions in China have played a role, with periods of optimism and increased investor interest in Chinese equities contributing to the company's stock price increase. The announcement of a final cash dividend for 2024 in March 2025 has also been viewed positively by shareholders. While the company's recent financial reports show a decline in revenue and net profit compared to previous years, the stock price increase appears more influenced by market sentiment and industry trends rather than strong positive financial performance. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline for a company can be attributed to several key factors. On the positive side, revenue growth is driven by significant increases in production volume, successful implementation of key projects such as green methanol production, and strong performance from associates and joint ventures. Specifically, compound fertilizers saw a 20.1% increase, chemical products rose by 10.5%, and acrylonitrile and related products experienced a substantial 35.6% growth. On the other hand, revenue decline is primarily due to fluctuations in the urea market, leading to decreased selling prices and sales volumes. Additionally, sales to certain key customers such as CNOOC group companies, state-owned enterprises, SOEs, and Longmei have also seen a decrease. These factors highlight the importance of diversifying revenue streams and adapting to changes in market conditions to maintain stable growth. The company is generating positive operating cash flow, as evident from the net cash inflow from operating activities of RMB 584.8 million. Although there was a decline in net cash generated from operating activities by RMB 198,830 compared to the previous year, it still indicates a steady and positive cash flow performance. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone some changes between 2024 and 2025. While total interest-bearing liabilities increased to RMB 1,335.2 million, bank borrowings rose by 11.4% to RMB 1,199,523,000. However, loan receivable decreased significantly from RMB 108,252 to zero. Interest expenses also saw some fluctuations, with finance costs decreasing by 9.6% and interest on bank and other borrowings dropping by 10%. Overall, there is no clear indication of a significant increase or decrease in debt level or interest expenses. The company's financial performance varied across different segments in the recent period. The methanol segment stood out as a top performer, generating revenue of RMB 1,592,768 and profit before income tax of RMB 465,098. On the other hand, the urea segment struggled, with revenue of RMB 1,074,748 and a meager profit before income tax of RMB 15,110. The acrylonitrile segment also underperformed, incurring a loss before income tax of RMB 68,247. The phosphorus and compound fertilizer segment showed mixed results across 2 pages, with revenue ranging from RMB 1,343,230 to RMB 2,136,213 and profit before income tax varying between RMB 21,726 and RMB 376,000. 366. The company has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders. In 2024, it distributed a total amount of RMB 556.9 million as dividend payments. This is further supported by various pages in the financial summary, consistently stating that the company has paid dividends and proposed dividends for the year 2024. That concludes the financial summary for China BLUCHEM. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.